Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Venice Tech. Let me show you something. This is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but that doesn't really matter right now. I want to show you the power of One UI 5, Bixby routines combined with Sound Assistant, which is obviously a module from Goodlock. Again, thanks to my dearest friend Usual for this mega tip. So imagine guys, you're walking outside, you want to play your music around, but you need to take up the phone from your pocket, take it out, unlock it, and etc. What if I tell you guys that there is a way? Just look here. I'm gonna press side button twice, and with that guys, I'm going to activate my player, right? So it's really insane, and you can do this of course just directly from your pocket. So double press the side button will activate my player. But what, let's say if you want to go back and forth, well, let me show you something guys. I'm gonna hold here the volume button, and I'm gonna go to the previous song. I'm gonna hold this button, the volume down, and I'm going to be able to scroll through songs. And this guys is absolutely amazing. So let me go on my home screen and do this. See here, holding just the volume button guys, and I'm able to navigate through song. It's really crazy guys, and this is indeed the power of One UI Samsung. Now how am I able to do so guys? It's very simple. I'm just gonna show you. I promise you need 30 seconds. So open your routines guys, go to the routines. You need to create a new routine. So how does this work? It's very simple guys. Let me show you. I'm gonna create a routine from new. So clicking here guys, if the trigger, so I'm gonna go here and I'm going to search for a button action. So the button action here is going to be the double press. So I'm selecting that one, and what happens then guys, go here and just put play music. Once you're here, you can choose from all your favorite music apps. Now in my case, I'm gonna choose Spotify, and this guys actually is going to be it. So then of course you're able to save the routine. Then of course you need to put a name for the routine, instant play music. Thanks again to my pal Usual. That's not all guys. So this will really allow you to just double press the side button and get your music going, but you need also Goodlock, right? And once you're inside Goodlock guys, make sure to scroll down to the Sound Assistant. Now in the Sound Assistant guys, there's going to be a setting called Control Music with Volume Keys. Press and hold the volume keys to go to the next or previous track when the screen is locked or turned off. Just enable that one, click inside guys, and you can just see hold up previous song, down next song, or of course you can choose the other way around. Up for the next song and down for the previous song. So again, just demonstrate guys, the phone is in my pocket, I double press the side button, I get my music going on, and then just holding the button, right, to scroll through the songs. You can of course still use the button as a volume rocker, but just when holding it guys will help you jump through all the various songs. Simply amazing. One UI Samsung. Like, subscribe, and stay safe.